After I graduated from Landon in 2015, I enrolled here at the University of Virginia. And I will say I was prepared for what was coming.
I was held with very high expectations at Landon, so I knew what to expect when I came here.
After graduating from Landon, I came to Harvard and I decided to pursue a degree in environmental engineering. Coming from Landon has definitely prepared me in a way that I couldn't even find imaginable after coming to Harvard, because the transition has just seemed so smooth.
Once you get to college, a lot of kids don't have the same background that we have. I found myself where I was prepared for a lot of different exams or projects or papers.
I think Landon prepared me for my time here at Duke by teaching me to push myself, by encouragement from teachers I had at Landon, and that has definitely translated to college for me.
One of the first things we do when we arrive on campus as freshmen is we have a lecture about the honor code at Harvard, and it runs in a similar way that it does at Landon. So getting that groundwork at Landon is something that definitely prepares you for success at college and beyond.
So at Landon, you learn fundamentals like strong handshakes and eye contact. And I was at the career fair last week, and I just did the simple things that I did at Landon, and I just made that much of a difference. All my friends are like, how'd you get his business card? Or they took your resume, they didn't take mine.
Given that Landon really prepared me to be a very well-rounded individual and get involved in so many different things, I think the idea of getting involved in even more things in college really excited me. So I don't think I was very nervous heading into college, and frankly I was very excited to meet an entirely different group of people.
I was pushed, out of my comfort zone quite a bit in high school, whether it was the wrestling team or taking turbo calculus, but you're also pushed out of your comfort zone here.
Before Landon, wasn't really the most athletic kid. I didn't really like sports that much, but when I went to Landon, we had to do it, and I made some of my best friends in water polo and swimming.
Teamwork is a huge part of college. Just working together towards a common goal is kind of essential in all your classes.
From Landon, I just know that the teachers here are here for a reason, and they want to help you learn and become a smarter and a better person. So I've been able to take advantage of all the resources here at Harvard.
I took Black Voices with Mr. Doherty my senior year, and that is the class that led me to study African American Studies. It was fascinating. I loved every second of it. I still talk to Mr. Doherty about the stuff that I'm studying here, and he gives me feedback on my papers. I have a high school teacher giving me feedback on my college essays.
Because of Landon and the teacher, coach, mentor philosophy there, it made it easier for me to go up to my professors, talk to them, meet with office hours, and I just sit down and talk to them, tell them about what's going on.
Moving forward, as I get involved in my professional life, the Landon network has been incredible and invaluable to me every single summer. Whether I've been in the DC area, New York, San Francisco, Landon alumni are extremely passionate about the school, and they can't wait to give back to future students as well.
The work I did in high school at Landon, exploring multicultural relations, definitely helped shape my outlook and broaden my perspective, and is definitely something I'm going to carry with me onward.
It was definitely a shock, but we were ready. As much as I can say that we were ready for what faced us, we were ready.
People here push me every day, but I definitely can play with the big boys.